Today, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub on your computer and download a GitHub project as a zip file. This is a straightforward method to get any project's files onto your local machine without needing to use Git commands or any additional software. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Enter your username or email, followed by your password, and click the Sign In button to access your GitHub account. After you're logged in, you'll land on your GitHub homepage. Look over to the left panel where you'll see a list of your repositories. These are all the projects you've either created or have access to. Click on the repository that contains the GitHub project you want to download as a zip file. This will take you directly to that repository's main page where you can view all its files and folders. Now, on the repository page, locate the green button that says Code. This button is typically positioned near the top right of the file list and is pretty hard to miss. Click on this green Code button and a drop-down menu will appear with several options for accessing the project. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says Download Zip and click on it. This action triggers the download process and prepares the entire project to be saved as a compressed zip file on your computer. Once you've clicked Download Zip, wait for the download to start automatically. You should see a notification or progress indicator in the upper right corner of your browser window. This shows that your browser is processing the download and saving the file to your default downloads folder. Depending on the size of the project, this might take a few moments, so be patient while the file is being transferred. When the download is complete, you'll see a notification in your browser. Click the Open button that appears next to the downloaded file. This will either open your File Explorer to show you where the zip file is located, or it might open the file directly depending on your browser settings. Now you have the zip file downloaded on your computer. You can extract the file by right-clicking on it and selecting Extract All or using any file extraction tool you prefer. Once extracted, you'll have full access to all the project files and folders, and you can start working with them immediately. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a GitHub project as a zip file and can now access all its contents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.